Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It is Jennifer Woolsey, your friendly Avon representative, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning and talk about how do you shop? What kind of shopper are you? It's that time of the year, it's getting close to Christmas, and we're going to start doing our Christmas shopping. So let's talk about how that works out for you. So I've already gone in this morning and done my morning skincare regimen. I'm a huge fan of skincare because I think it's the best thing you can do for your skin. So I'm using the Ultimate New Knox, I can't talk this morning, Replenishing Serum and Eye Serum and Day Cream on my face. And I added in a little extra vitamin C brightening serum for those eyes and my collagen boost. Bam, collagen in a bottle. So much better than a needle. So let's hop in and go ahead and do some makeup. We're gonna do our VDL Luma Layer Primer to help prime our face. And this is gonna give us just a little bit of an extra glow because I feel like I need to glow today. It's getting close to Christmas time and we need to have that holiday glow. Okay. So we are primed and ready to go. A great primer is gonna fill in those cracks and those crevices and those wrinkles and give your makeup something to bond to. So you need a good primer. If you don't have one, hit me up. I'll fix you up with a couple of options. We're gonna do Cashmere Complexion Liquid Foundation in Custard and Buttercream. I'm mixing colors because my face is glowing and it's changing. And so I'm kind of making a makeup cocktail to make it be exactly what I want. So our topic again is how do you shop? So this year has totally changed the way we do a lot of things, right? Give me some hearts if you are with me on that. You know, I like to go to the store and feel things and touch things and I don't know, just get my feel for it. This year it may not happen that way. So I'm having to learn to really do, I'm using a buffing brush to really do this online shopping thing. But do you wait until the last minute or are you a early shopper? And I think the population is kind of split on this. I think it's funny. I have a friend and I love her so much. She waits until 2 weeks before Christmas to start her shopping. And it drives me insane because I start in like July, start Christmas shopping and getting ideas and putting things together. And she's like, I'll start like December 15th. Like, girl, everything's gonna be sold out. She's like, well, they'll get whatever. I'm gonna get my ears. They'll get whatever I can find. And she's just happy. And I'm like, I stress over the perfect gift. We're going to do Cashmere Complexion Liquid Concealer in Matcha. I stress over the perfect gift. I don't know. So these are some things. Are you a face-to-face shopper or are you an online shopper? And do you start early or do you start late? I'm excited to hear your experiences, so be sure and leave it in the comments. Let me know. So some of the benefits to me of starting early is definitely the sales. I'm a Black Friday old school shopper. I love to go Black Friday shopping. One of my favorite things. So I know it's crazy. I'm one of those crazy people that get out there and go with the butt cracking on. We're gonna do our fix and mist trick on our eyes this morning. So this is just a setting spray and I'm just patting underneath where I put that concealer. I'll let that dry just a second. And then I'm gonna take my Magix dust and I'm gonna lightly dust that under eye area. This is gonna help your concealer keep from like cracking or I want it to be kind of tacky from cracking or here, get my brush, or filling in those cracks. So I'm just going to lightly dust. I'm not baking. I'm just lightly dusting. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and Magix dust on the rest of our face because we are looking for a matte look. There we go. Yay! Okay, so we're all dusted in. And then we're going to go in with our Tattoo Station brow pencil and do our brows this morning. Hey Google, play copyright-free Christmas music. It's never too early for Christmas music, is it? We haven't hit Thanksgiving yet, but... So the cool thing about shopping with my company, especially when it comes to makeup, is we have this very cool feature on our website where you can try on each of these products and get your right shade. It's a shade selector. It's like a virtual makeover. Hold on, I have to blend. Who doesn't need a virtual makeover? I mean, we all need a makeover, right? Okay. I'm just lining out the area I want my brow pencil to go, and then I'm just filling it in. They may not be twins, but they're sisters. Okay. Yay! Okay, so we're rocking that. So, anyway, so I like to start early because I like to catch all the deals. And like we are having a 12 days of Christmas special deal on our website. We're going to do Face Shop Monopop eye palette in browns. This is one of my favorite palettes. I'm going to pick up just this color and this color to start. And then I'm going to work my crease. Because of my mature eyes, I go a little bit, and my hooded eyes, I go a little bit higher than that where my natural crease is. Because if I don't, you won't see my eye makeup. So I'm going to go up a little bit. And I'm just going to work it back and forth. This palette is super pigmented. So I just lightly touch in to pick it up because I don't want it to be like crazy. Crazy. And then I'm just working it back and forth. And then I may pick up another. Okay, so anyway, we have like the 12 days of Christmas where you can get super good deals, free shipping, all kinds of good offers. And so that is definitely a plus to shopping early, is getting the extra deals. And then, you know, I know that even getting closer to Christmas, if you're a late shopper, sometimes you can find really good offers on products that they're trying to move that maybe didn't sell as good as they thought it was going to too. So that can kind of be a double-edged sword there. And then online, there are some definite benefits to shopping online because you don't have to carry it and hide it. It comes to your house in a box. And you've already got the box ready to go. So that's a plus. But I do enjoy feeling things, touching things, and making sure it's the perfect gift. So I don't know. I'm really interested in your feedback. Okay. What do we think? Definitely brought some color in. I'm going to work this up just a little bit up on that brow line. There we go. Okay, let's put some, I'm going to fix in a little golds and a little taupe into the cradle. right here. Give it that little bit of that glowy, taupey glow. There we go. Yes. And you can really use this color like as a transition color and kind of blend it all in together. I love a good taupey gold eye. How about you guys? Okay. Let's take this lighter color, and this is just almost gone. And I'm going to use this one right here to highlight underneath that brow line. And I'm going to bring it down just a little bit. So do I have any fellow crazy Black Friday shoppers watching today? Anybody that is like me and you're like, oh, I have to get up super early the day after Thanksgiving and go crazy Black Friday shopping? Are you just sitting at home in your bed doing it online? It's really probably the smarter way to do it this year with COVID being an issue. Okay, I'm gonna take this brown. I knew I was gonna do that. I should have used a thinner brush. Let me find a thinner brush. Here we go. Woo, girl. You done made yourself, your eyes water. Let's go ahead. Woo. You have to be careful with these brushes. Don't poke yourself in the eye. Okay. Let's go on this other side. I don't think we're going to do this today. I think we're going to back out on that idea. Real life makeup, guys. This is real life. Okay. Yeah, we're going to back out on that idea. I'm going to have to perfect that one a little bit better. My eye is seriously watering. Okay. We'll let it work over here, and we'll go ahead and do our SuperExtend liquid liner. My eyes are so sensitive. I cannot even put contact lenses in them because they just don't handle it well. But they can handle a good liner. There we go. Real life makeup. Okay. Let's curl these lashes. We'll put some Love at First Lash on them. And go about our day. Love at First Lash. Whew. Girlfriend. What do you think about this headband? I think I'm going to wear this all day long. Because it looks cute, even though it's my bathroom headband. It's cute. Still holds the mascara. So if you're looking for some incredible online deals, be sure that you are following me on Facebook, Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz, and checking out all the great specials and offers that we have to help you fill your Christmas list from home. You don't even have to leave your house. You can just shop at home and get all the things that you need. We're going to do some Love Cushion Blush, Queen Carnation. Great stocking stuffer. We're just going to pick up a little bit. patting it in. Oh, I have another great idea for a great stocking stuffer. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay. We're gonna do, my nose is watering. We're gonna do our birthday balm in Surprise. This is a great stocking stuffer idea. If I was gonna feel like a teenage girl or a woman in my life, I would do these two products. A Surprise birthday balm and a Love mascara. You cannot go wrong with those two products to fill a stocking. So, do your Christmas shopping with me. You can shop my website at youravon.com/jwoolsey, and you can do like color matches for that Cashmere Complexion foundation. You can do some different color matches for eyeshadows and lipsticks and get all the things you need ordered at home and shipped straight to your door. So, if you have questions, let me know. Please share this video. Somebody else is going to need to see my big eye faux pas and laugh with us. And then let me know, how do you shop? Share those things in the comments with me. I hope that you guys have a beautiful and fantastic day, and thanks for getting ready with me. Bye, guys.